Ever wonder if a simple pinch of salt could hold the key to better health? Discover Celtic Sea Salt and its potential to transform your well-being. Stay tuned to unlock a world of flavor and vibrant health. What is Celtic Sea Salt? Forget the white stuff on your table. Celtic Sea Salt hails from the pristine coastlines of France, where the fresh Atlantic Ocean meets the rugged beauty of Brittany. Here, the tradition of harvesting this unique salt has been passed down for generations. Unlike table salt, which is heavily refined and stripped of most of its goodness, Celtic Sea Salt undergoes minimal processing. This means it retains a wealth of essential minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Celtic Sea Salt into your diet can be a game-changer for your health. Now let's break down the benefits of Celtic Sea Salt. 1. Rich in minerals. Celtic Sea Salt is a treasure trove of minerals. Unlike refined table salt, which is stripped of its natural minerals, Celtic Sea Salt retains its mineral content. It contains over 80 essential minerals and trace elements, including magnesium, calcium, potassium, and iron. These minerals are crucial for various bodily functions, such as bone health, muscle function, and the production of enzymes and hormones. By using Celtic Sea Salt, you ensure that your body gets these vital nutrients naturally. 2. Electrolyte balance. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are essential for maintaining fluid balance, muscle function, and nerve signaling. Celtic Sea Salt, being rich in these natural electrolytes, helps maintain the right balance in your body. Proper electrolyte balance is crucial for hydration, especially after physical activity, and helps prevent cramps and muscle fatigue. By adding Celtic Sea Salt to your diet, you can support your body's natural electrolyte balance more effectively than with processed salts. 3. Respiratory health. Celtic Sea Salt can significantly benefit your respiratory health. It can be used in saline solutions for inhalation therapy, which helps clear mucus and reduce inflammation in the airways. This is particularly beneficial for people with asthma, bronchitis, or allergies. The natural minerals in the salt help to detoxify the respiratory system, making breathing easier. 4. Blood pressure regulation. One common misconception is that all salt is bad for blood pressure. However, Celtic Sea Salt, with its balanced mineral content, can actually help regulate blood pressure. The key is moderation and balance. While excessive sodium can raise blood pressure, the potassium and magnesium in Celtic Sea Salt counteract these effects by relaxing blood vessels and promoting better blood circulation. Thus, using Celtic Sea Salt in appropriate amounts can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system compared to the high-sodium processed salts. 5. Alkalizing effect. Despite its salty taste, Celtic Sea Salt has an alkalizing effect on the body. Maintaining a proper pH balance is essential for health, as an overly acidic body environment can lead to various health issues like inflammation and chronic diseases. The minerals in Celtic Sea Salt, such as magnesium and calcium, help neutralize acidity in the body, promoting a more alkaline state. This helps to reduce acidity and inflammation, contributing to overall wellness and potentially lowering the risk of chronic illnesses. 6. Detoxification. Celtic Sea Salt is a powerful aid in detoxification. The minerals in the salt help draw out toxins and impurities from the skin and body. Adding Celtic Sea Salt to your bath can create a cleansing environment, as the salt's minerals are absorbed through the skin, promoting detoxification and improving circulation. This process can also help soothe sore muscles and rejuvenate the skin, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. 7. Improved sleep. Struggling with sleep? Celtic Sea Salt might be the solution. The magnesium content in Celtic Sea Salt has a calming effect on the nervous system, helping to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Adequate magnesium levels are associated with improved sleep quality and reduced symptoms of insomnia. By incorporating Celtic Sea Salt into your diet, you can support better sleep patterns and enjoy a more restful night's sleep. How to use Celtic Sea Salt. So, how do you incorporate this magical salt into your life? It's easy. Use it as a finishing touch on meats, vegetables, soups, stews. The possibilities are endless. It can even be used in baking for a subtle mineral boost. Looking for a luxurious spa experience? Celtic Sea Salt can be used for relaxing bath soaks. Remember to follow safety guidelines. So, there you have it. Celtic Sea Salt, nature's gift from the sea, offering a combination of incredible flavor and potential health benefits. Remember, moderation is key with any kind of salt. But if you're looking for a way to add a touch of magic to your meals and explore the world of healthy salts, Celtic Sea Salt is definitely worth a try. While Celtic Sea Salt shows promise for various health benefits, it's important to consult your doctor before making major dietary changes, especially if you have existing health conditions. Want to discover more exciting culinary adventures and healthy ingredients? Smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, happy eating!